Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you some powerful MS Word hacks that most people don't even know exist. I will share with you some simple tricks that will instantly boost your speed and make your work look more professional. So let's begin with the first example. In this example, you can see camel case type text where words are merged together. And there are some cases where numbers and alphabets are merged together and we want to convert these into regular font. So let me show you the right way to do this. This problem typically occurs when you copy any information from PDF or websites. So to convert this type of information into regular font, let me show you some ways to do the proper cleaning. First of all, select your text and from the keyboard press Ctrl H. In the Find and Replace window, we are going to use some wildcard patterns. But in order to use wildcard, we have to enable the wildcard option. For that purpose, go to More and from here select the option Use Wildcards. And first, we are going to separate numbers with alphabets. For that purpose, initiate the parenthesis and within square brackets type 0-9. Close the square bracket and close the parenthesis. Again, start the parenthesis and add square bracket and within square bracket type capital A, add minus sign, then add capital Z and without giving any space add small a, again put minus sign and then press small z. Close the square bracket and then close the parenthesis. So basically what we have done here, we have declared two types of information. The one information contains numbers and the other group contains alphabets that will be both in uppercase and lowercase. And then in the place with, we are going to declare them as separate groups. Type slash and add 1. This means separate group number 1, that is a number group from 0 to 9, add space and separate it from group number 2. And to declare group number 2, I am going to add slash and number 2. And then click on replace all. And here you can see that this combination has separated our numbers from alphabets. Now the next task is to separate this combination. We want to separate these words into separate words. So for this purpose, again I am going to make two groups. Start the parenthesis, add square bracket and let's type A to Z in lowercase separated by minus sign. Then again add the square bracket and close the parenthesis. Now for the second group, I am going to type the same pattern in caps. So basically this pattern shows that separate the words beginning with capital letters from other words. And again, these will be two groups. So use this pattern and let's click on replace all. And here you can see that it has separated the words from each other. Now the next task is to convert this font into a regular font. For that purpose, select your complete text and from the keyboard press Shift F3 function key twice. Okay, first it will convert the text into uppercase and then it will convert all the text into lowercase. Now when your text is in lowercase, again click on that and go to this double A icon in the home section. This is basically referred as change case. Click on this small arrow and here you will see the option sentence case. This will automatically capitalize the first letter of the sentence and here you can see that it has converted your text into regular paragraph format. So if you like this trick, then don't forget to hit like to the video. Now let me show you the second trick. So in Word, you have seen table of contents, list of figures and list of tables. But you haven't seen list of abbreviations. But in today's video, I am going to share with you a trick that will help you to create a list of abbreviations in seconds. So in order to create a list of abbreviations, again press Ctrl H from the keyboard. Then go to Find option and keep this Use Wildcard options checked. Okay. In Find What, we are going to type a pattern here. Let me add square brackets and then add A to Z and then we are going to declare the abbreviation may contain 2 or more words. So in order to declare the number of words, we are going to type it like this format, then I will add the closing triangular bracket. So here what I have typed, I have added the angular bracket at the beginning. Then within the square brackets I have declared to use capital A to Z because abbreviations are normally in capital letters, and then I want to say that any combination of capital letters containing two or more words, and for that purpose I have written 2 comma space within the curly brackets, and then I have ended the angular bracket. Then you will see the option of find in here. Click on this button and choose main document. It will highlight all the capital letters or that we call abbreviations in your document. Simply press Ctrl C from the keyboard. This will copy all the highlighted words. Then go to the place where you want to paste these words. Press Ctrl V. And here you can see that it has picked all the abbreviations from your document and created a list of them. So this is the easiest way to pick all the abbreviations correctly from your document. So if you like this trick, then don't forget to hit like to the video. Now let me show you another trick. So in MS Word, there is a common issue that sometimes we need to make changes in the font style of particular information. Let's say I want to unbold all the bold information in my text. So if I start doing it manually, then it will consume a lot of time. So let me show you a right way to do this. Click on any bold text. Actually double click on that, and in the home tab in the editing section you will see the option of select. Click on that and choose the option select all text with similar formatting, no data. It will highlight all the similar information in your document. Now we want to unbold them, so simply click on the bold icon to unbold your information. In a similar way, I want to convert this red font into black font, so again double click on the word and again go to home tab, and in the editing section click select and choose select text with similar formatting. Now it will highlight all the red text in your data. Then go to change font color and select black. So here you can see that how easily you can convert the similar information into the required format. Now let me show you another trick. Here you can see that I have some information in the form of table and I want to actually convert it into bullets. Select the table. In the table tools, go to layout, and here you will find the option of convert to text. Click on that. Here it is your choice that how you want to merge the information from different columns. I want to merge them using spaces, so I am going with the option tab and click on OK. So here you can see that it has actually converted your table into text format. Now there is no table. But I also want to change its formatting because it still looks like a table. So what you can do here is select your information and from the keyboard press Ctrl 8 and in replace type caret and then type T, and in replace with add a single space and click on replace all. And here you can see that it has converted your information into bullet forms. If you want to add bullets, you can select your data and choose any bullet style according to your requirement. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to learn more tips and tricks like these, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is all for today. Thank you for your time. Stay happy, stay blessed.